Hey, I'm Megan with WTI, and how cute is this tote purse by Wrangler? The first time I used this purse, I got so many compliments on it. Like literally every friend that saw me said they loved my bag, asked me where I bought my bag, were trying it on for themselves because they loved it so much. This bag is made of vegan leather. However, the gorgeous fringe on the bottom is actually made with genuine leather. I just love the Western vibe that it gives, but honestly, it can also give a very boho look as well, depending on what you're wearing with the purse. There's an adjustable strap that comes with the bag that you can attach if you want to wear it as a crossbody bag. The inside of this bag is beautifully lined with 3 compartments, tons of pockets and zippers, and I love me some pockets in a handbag. So this is actually perfect to store and organize everything that I need in my purse. Whether you're looking for a purse with a little bit of a Western or boho vibe, or you just want something that is going to be unique and stands out on its own, I definitely recommend this Wrangler purse, and that's my point of view.